Well, boy, folks have kind of learned through the school of hard knocks in those last 17 years, right? We saw the same things we see today with AI that were then a cloud, and only shortly thereafter, or maybe even before, same kind of time frame, the big data era, right? It was everyone's doing it. We better do it before we get behind, without really thoughtfully thinking through what was actually needed to pull that strategy through to make the company's objectives come true. So
Yeah,
what we think we saw was a lot of people doing very low value add lift and shift migrations into the cloud, which ultimately had the opposite effects that folks had hoped for. Higher costs to operate, still the same legacy to manage, still limited scalability that's manual in most nature and most of the time, and kind of a real pivot into um, sort of now we have this entire additional environment to manage as well. Also, a lot of folks weren't able to sell off their data centers like they expected. So what became an initial promise of shut all that stuff down, we're going to move into the cloud, became we're going to kind of be half pregnant and run in both environments at the same time. Now, the promise wasn't wrong. It's just more about how we strategically apply the technology to align to the business goals and try to have the right fit for purpose as we make these pivots, which is, I think, are
yeah.
major lessons to learn.